Good morning once again, boys and girls.
Hello. So today we are going to do the adventures with Jim and Karen on the east side of the castle. No, Olympics. Right. I'll get it right. I don't know about that. Anyway, so we're gonna check out some waterfalls from the east side. Last week we did the west side, so follow along. We'll have some fun.
All right, boys and girls, we are at High Steel Bridge, overlooking Vincent Falls. Vincent Creek Falls.
Right.
You'll see when we get up here. It says everywhere, danger, area closed.
Stay out and stay alive.
Because when you go down there, it's a steep cliff, but people do it. So we'll give you a little tour here. This bridge was built in 1929 as a railroad bridge. Then in 1960, they came back and put concrete over it. I don't really know if I like this idea with my height issue. We're going to find out. This creek must be over that side. I'm staying up here for right now. See if we can see down yet. Yep. That's a long ways down. Falls are over there. Come over and get a better view of it. All right, let's take a look at the other side. This is the highest bridge in the state of Washington. There they are. Right there. All right, guys, that's close enough for me. We're gonna head to the next one. See you later. Well, we finally got out of that and got on some decent pavement here. So I was gonna have to put on a change there for a minute. Couldn't find nowhere to turn around. As you can see, all along the way, it's all kinds of off strings here. We're gonna show you some on the way back. All right. See you on the way. All right, so here's another little offshoot here. It's on the north side of the road. Very pretty, just kick back and relax. Okay, it's gonna be a beautiful day. All right, see you the next one.
Hi guys. We are we didn't find, I don't think we found Hama Hama trailhead or falls, but anyway, so we headed on out to, we did? Oh, Murhut. Okay, whatever. We headed out to Murhut Falls, well, to the trailhead. So, I don't even know how far this one is, but we're gonna take a little trip.
So to get here, you can see it's just a old forest road. There's
Really
no
bumpy.
sign, but there's a trail. So you go up Duckabush Road about 6.5 miles.
Duck a tree.
Okay. Then you'll make a right on 2530. And you come up about a mile, 1.2 miles or so. And this little tiny sign over here on the ground is your sign. And it says, I can't read it without my 0.9
Murhut
miles.
Falls. It says Murhut Falls Trail number 828.
Okay,
Here's your sign.
there you go. All right, so here we go uphill. See you along the way. All right, so as you can see, it's a beautiful little path. Nice, smooth. First half mile or so is straight uphill. Then it levels out to this. And we shouldn't be too far from the falls. We'll see when you get there. All right, so as we're approaching the falls, we start descending downhill rather rapidly. But you can hear the falls over that way somewhere. And they sound pretty close, so we'll see you there. All right, so part of the falls is down there. But there is a viewpoint up here we can check out. Continues dropping over there. Big falls are up here. You can see directly in front of me. As it cascades down. All right, we're gonna go up to the top one first, and then we're gonna go down, see what's down there. All right, so to get to the top, here's your viewpoint. I'm going over here. Even got a nice little bench for you to sit on. So that cave is obtainable. I have a friend of mine, a little on the crazy side, Nick, has been on that log and inside that cave, but he's young. All right, we're gonna check down the bottom once we get finished here. Let's take a little break. All right, so we've come back down. We're gonna take the trail, this other trail going down. There's Lower Falls. Let's see where it takes us. Nice view. We can't really see the falls from here. Little drop there. All right, on to our next fall. There's Murhut Falls for you guys. All right, so we're at the top of the first falls. Goes underneath. All right, now we're headed out. We'll see you next time. Destination.
We are at Brook Falls. We are hoping to get wet.
We got raincoats on.
That's right.
So you're gonna come down Doswallop's Road, about 3 miles, and you're gonna see this little hut, little place to park. There's no signs. So it's only about 100 yards maybe So we're gonna cut through here and I'll show you along the way. So once you get on the other side of the pump house, you're gonna see this. It's coming from an underground spring. Right there. And they made a hole. There's another one over there. Another one there. If you can see down there or not, let's find out. Okay. All right, let's get to these falls. All right, so as we approach around this corner, you'll be able to see the falls. Right there. Sure is a beaut. Water seems a little low. That's all right, let's get a little closer. All right, we're gonna get a little closer view for you here. We are now in the water. That is a big hole right there. Hey, look at that. There's Karen. All right, guys, that's Brook Falls. Oh, here goes the wind. Hold on. That water does shift like that. Wind shifted it right on top of us, so that's why I'm wearing a raincoat. All right, see you next one. Say bye. All right, boys and girls, we're at Madison Falls.
And it's raining.
No, not Marymere Falls.
Marymere.
And it's raining.
And
That's
it's raining.
Same thing we did last time we were here.
Yeah.
So we went past the other one. We're heading on the way back.
Madison Falls.
Madison Falls. Okay, so this should be a short little trip. So hopefully we're gonna get wet anyways. All right, see you there. All right, so once you get to the edge of the lake, you're gonna go underneath the highway here. Karen making noises. Whoa. Just follow the mud trail right up. There's a lot of green out here. And water. All right, so you get by the falls or by the creek. All right, so once you reach the river, you're gonna make a left, go across that bridge and back up that bridge and climb up to the falls. Surprisingly, we already saw 3 people on a day like this. It's pouring down rain. Well, it's starting to ease up, but a lot of green. Look at that. All right, we'll see you over there. Up the stairs we go. We already came up that flight. We did a couple switchbacks here, and we should be at the top. Go to the left. Whoa, left. All right, see you at the top. All right, guys, that's your lower falls. We'll climb on up here through the mud. You see the upper falls up there. Beautiful trail. All right, I'll see you up there. I'm gonna take a picture of this. All right, guys. All right, walking to Marymere Falls. This is probably getting wet. There we go. All right. Look at this place. All right. One last look. It's freezing out here.
Hey guys, we have made it to our final destination. We are going to Madison Creek Falls, and it's wheelchair accessible, so it's not very far.
Not very far, right off the parking lot. There's a creek, a river,
And the fog.
All right, Madison Falls. Let's go see what we got. All right, so after a short little jaunt, you're gonna hit this bridge, whatever, and you're gonna hit the falls. The kids here playing. Let's go and get a closer look. All right, so we're gonna get up close and personal here. Get right underneath here for you. Look up there. Madison Falls. All right, boys and girls, that concludes another adventure
With Jim and Karen. That one was really, really short. We did Madison Falls. It was a hop, skip, and a jump, basically. Father and 3 little girls were down there, and they were playing in the water. But the falls are beautiful, as usual. Love the falls.
So if you're ever up on the west, this time we're on the east side of
Right.
the Olympic Peninsula.
Look for the unicorn elk.
Oh yeah, I put a picture on that.
Yeah,
We saw a unicorn elk. The elk had had a horn right smack dab in the center.
I wasn't gonna tell them about it.
Shit you not.
It was really cool.
All right, until next time. God bless. Be safe out there.
All right, bye.